Hola, buenos días, ¿qué tal? Bienvenidos a mi canal de YouTube. Me llamo Jarno. Soy Jarno. Soy de Finlandia. Y ahora he estudiado español 4 semanas y hablo un poco español. Y cómo aprender español. Me gusta mucho el español. Me gusta escuchar el español. Me gusta escuchar música en español y ver películas. Y leer en español. Escucho mucho español. Like numbers, it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 8, 9, 10. And what comes to pronunciation, I've noticed that Spanish in Europe, they saying this, they pronounce like th sound, like this the like English the. It's like a vibrating the. And Latin America, they say it's like s. There is no the. And it's difficult now because I'm listening both Spanish in a way, so I hear words differently, and there is this there are this kind of it's like G sound, but it's like a fricative. It's like make like gusta. It's not like gusta, me gusta. It's like something. It's like the air comes and there is this little friction kind of. But it's very interesting for me because I'm studying at the uni. I'm studying phonetics, so it's very interesting, this Spanish, this kind of this. If we think about like international phonetic alphabet, like EPA, so understanding. But it's really weird when I'm listening now a lot Spanish. So I hear line up kind of both. I hear like gracias, and then I hear gracias or something like it, and it puts my head like a spinning, like wow, which way I'm gonna say this now. So maybe I should choose, but yeah, it's quite interesting. But I like learning. I've noticed that I have learned a lot now because I'm listening a lot, I'm reading a lot, watching films, series in Spanish, this comprehensible input thing. I haven't written, I haven't kind of spoken until now. I made this video. I started to speak, and I started to recall how to say this and that, and making sentences. And when I'm listening this Michel Thomas, this podcast and Coffee Break Spanish podcast, I learned these sentences, how to say things. Like it's really awesome. Like talking about family, like madre, padre, esto mi padre, esto es mi padre, esto es mi madre, esto, and things like that. Like understand just by listening and learning kind of grammar, like hermano, hermana, like understanding. It's awesome. I'm just you know, blown away, amazed with this comprehensible empathic. But of course, 4 weeks now. I feel that like this week I studied a lot again. I got this kind of thing, like kind of silent thing. When I listening to Spanish thing, I was like some way I got this kind of observation thing. Like I didn't get anything out. Like, but when I listened, I understood a lot. Weird thing. I think this happens. Same kind of thing happened with French. You know, I got this like first 2-3 weeks were like it was like input, and I felt like output. Like I can speak and I can say things. But now this 4th week was like more like I felt like lots of things coming, and I understand a lot, but I can't kind of express myself. But now I made this little talk there, so I you know, kind of, you know, I'm able to say basic things, but of course it needs practice, and that's why I'm making these kind of videos. Yeah, it's very interesting. Y ese es el fini de la historia. Fini es final de la historia. Okay. Si te ha gustado esta video, olvidas de darle a me gustado y suscribirte a mi canal para ver más videos como este. Hasta pronto.